Today we explore the Royal Danish Air Force, the aerial warfare branch of the Danish Armed Forces and one of NATO's most modern air forces. Founded on October 1, 1950, the Royal Danish Air Force is responsible for defending Danish airspace, supporting NATO operations, conducting Arctic surveillance missions, and protecting national interests across the North Atlantic region. Although relatively small in size, Denmark operates highly advanced aircraft and is rapidly modernizing its force with fifth-generation fighters, unmanned systems, and modern air defense networks. Its strategic location between the North Sea and the Baltic Sea makes it an important contributor to European and NATO security. The Commander-in-Chief of the Danish Armed Forces is King Frederik X. The Prime Minister of Denmark is Mette Frederiksen. The Minister of Defense is Troels Lund Poulsen. The Royal Danish Air Force is led by Major General Jan Dam, Chief of the Air Command. Together, they oversee Denmark's air defense, NATO commitments, Arctic security missions, and future modernization programs. The F-35 Lightning II is the primary combat aircraft of the Royal Danish Air Force. As a fifth-generation stealth fighter, it combines advanced sensors, electronic warfare systems, precision strike capability, and low observable technology. The aircraft can perform air superiority, ground attack, reconnaissance, intelligence gathering, and electronic warfare missions. Its sensor fusion capability provides pilots with exceptional battlefield awareness and real-time information sharing. Denmark is gradually replacing its long-serving F-16 fleet with a total of 43 F-35 fighters. The F-35 will serve as the backbone of Danish air power for decades and significantly strengthen Denmark's contribution to NATO operations. The Challenger 604 fleet performs intelligence, surveillance, reconnaissance, and maritime patrol missions. These aircraft monitor territorial waters, shipping routes, offshore infrastructure, and national airspace. They also support environmental monitoring, border security, and search and rescue operations. The Challenger 604 provides Denmark with valuable real-time intelligence across the North Atlantic and Arctic regions. The C-130J Super Hercules serves as the backbone of Denmark's air transport fleet. The aircraft is used for troop transport, cargo delivery, humanitarian missions, medical evacuation, and rapid military deployments. Its ability to operate from short and austere airfields makes it highly versatile. The aircraft regularly supports NATO missions and international peacekeeping operations. The C-130J provides Denmark with reliable strategic and tactical airlift capability. The MFI-17 supporter is used for basic pilot training within the Royal Danish Air Force. It helps develop fundamental flying skills before pilots move on to more advanced aircraft. The aircraft plays an important role in preparing future fighter, transport, and helicopter pilots. Its reliability and simplicity make it well suited for training duties. The EH-101 Merlin is Denmark's primary search and rescue helicopter. It performs long-range rescue missions, disaster response, transport operations, and medical evacuations. The helicopter can operate in harsh weather conditions across the North Atlantic and Arctic regions. Its long range and large cabin make it one of the most capable SAR helicopters in Europe. The MH-60 or Seahawk supports anti-submarine warfare, maritime patrol, and naval operations. Equipped with advanced sensors and submarine hunting systems, it plays a major role in protecting Danish waters. The helicopter significantly enhances Denmark's maritime security and naval defense capability. The AS-550 Fennek is used for utility, observation, reconnaissance, and support missions. Its agility and low operating cost make it useful for domestic security and military training operations. The helicopter provides flexible support for a wide variety of missions. Denmark is acquiring MQ-9B SkyGuardian unmanned aerial vehicles to strengthen surveillance and reconnaissance capability. These advanced drones offer long endurance, real-time intelligence gathering, and wide area monitoring. They will support Arctic surveillance, maritime security, border monitoring, and NATO operations. The introduction of MQ-9B represents a major expansion of Denmark's unmanned warfare capability. NASAMS 3 forms the foundation of Denmark's modern air defense network. The system uses AIM-120 AMRAAM and AIM-9X missiles to intercept aircraft, helicopters, drones, and cruise missiles. Its mobility and networked architecture allow rapid deployment and effective protection of critical infrastructure. The IRIS-T SLM provides short to medium-range air defense capability. It is designed to engage modern aerial threats including drones, helicopters, aircraft, and cruise missiles. The system will significantly strengthen Denmark's national air defense capability. The MICA system adds another layer of protection against airborne threats. It provides flexible and rapid response air defense capability for military bases and strategic locations. The SAMP/TNG will provide long-range air and missile defense capability. Using Aster missiles, the system will be capable of defending cities, military installations, and critical infrastructure against advanced threats. Once operational, it will become one of the most powerful air defense assets in Danish service. The Royal Danish Air Force is currently undergoing a major modernization program. The continued delivery of F-35 as stealth fighters will completely transform Denmark's combat aviation capability. The introduction of MQ-9B SkyGuardian drones will expand intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance operations. Denmark is also investing heavily in a layered air defense network through NASAMS 3, IRIS-T SLM, MICA, and SAMP/TNG systems. These upgrades will significantly improve national defense, Arctic security, and Denmark's contribution to NATO collective defense. The Royal Danish Air Force may be relatively small, but it is becoming one of Northern Europe's most technologically advanced air forces. With F-35 stealth fighters, modern transport aircraft, maritime surveillance platforms, advanced helicopters, next-generation UAVs, and powerful air defense systems, Denmark is building a force capable of protecting its airspace and supporting NATO operations well into the future.